the last thing I just want to show you really, really quickly is one, how we can delete students and clients, because the basic package you get from MiVoice, you have a limit of 30 clients or 30 students. You can pay a little bit extra for more. But once you've finished with a student's left, or you no longer need them, you can really, really easily, quickly delete a student. And by deleting that student, all the reports, all the student-specific questions have been deleted as well. So they're no longer there as well. So that's, hopefully that makes it a little bit easier for you. And the very, very last thing I want to show you about MiVoice is this is a program that's growing. So what we've done here is, if you see just down the right down here, there's a little lightning bolt. By clicking the little lightning bolt, this gives you the opportunity, the user, to report any issues you're having, any ideas or any wishes you'd like MiVoice to be able to do. It also gives you the opportunity to upload any screenshots, so you can show us any problems you're having, or anything you'd like it to do in the future, which is really, really great. And we really want that feedback so we can make MiVoice better and better all the time.